Hey folks, Kelbob here, and I'm standing in front of my favorite Kansas City hotel, the Ambassador. And you can rent this hotel through your Marriott app, and I always stay here when I'm in town. I want to show you around a little bit. The Ambassador is located right here at 1111 Grand, so it's right at Grand and 11th. You're just 2 blocks away from Main Street. That's where the trolley car runs to all the fancy bars and restaurants down in the Gaslight District. In fact, you can see the Gaslight District down here behind you. But anyways, I'm going to show you around this hotel. I just really love it. It's a killer restaurant here. So there's the elevator to the old tower. And here's the new tower right here. So there's my friend Shayna, the front office manager here at the Ambassador Hotel. Good morning, Shayna.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Yeah, could you tell me a little bit about the property?
Sure. So this was originally a bank. We turned it into a hotel in 2012. When we opened it on just that side. It's what we now call the North Tower. It only had 43 rooms. That was the whole hotel. It was just 43 rooms. In 2019, we opened this back side, the contemporary side, brought us up to 113 rooms. So
it's a fantastic property. I love it, and I can't wait to go. I'm going to stay on the other side. What year? You know the approximate age of the bank building?
I don't actually, not off the top of my head, but there is a sign right outside because this is part of the National Historic Society. So you can check that out. I believe it was in I want to say 1940, but
Okay.
I'm not sure about that.
Well,
but
good.
When we opened the contemporary side, we decided that we were going to have a couple different feels for our rooms through here. So on our historic side, we have more of a lower lighting, kind of a cozy, curl-up type feel. There's a couch at the end of the bed, there's a chair in the corner, kind of a simple, homey feel to that side. On this side, being the more modern side, we have brighter colors. We've got purple and yellow throw pillows, and then the chase and the more open, brighter lighting and floor plan.
Well, great. I'm telling you what, I've enjoyed my stay. I love your property. I love a good product.
That's amazing. We love to hear that.
And where does this property rank within Marriott?
We just made it to the top 5 in the autograph collection.
Wow.
So we're very, very excited about that. Oh man, you the man. Kelbob, out.